It was just so unexpected when a big thing came to town, and the people wouldn't take it, so the big thing hit the ground. And the people should have carried all the weight and all the trauma, but the people wanted cleanliness and karma. Striving for perfection, we long to do what's right, but our nature's contradictory, and we often lose the fight. And a voice tells us we're hopeless, we tell ourselves we're trash, so we take the plunge and tease the little rash. More than meets the eye. You were born in imperfection, perfect all the same, yet you died to give us life, that's why you came. You give love when it's scary, you make us bold when we Jesus, you love us more than we could ever know. And it's unexpected, beautiful and clear. Yes, it's unexpected, beautiful and clear. Why don't we love when it's scary?
Subscribe.